Hi, friends. Let's play hide and seek with friendly animals today. 6 friendly animals are hiding in this playground. Let's spot out animal pals one by one. Can you see something in the castle playhouse? Who's hiding there? It's the monkey! It's our Playful pal monkey. Hi, monkey!
Hi, I'm a playful monkey.
Now, let's check behind the ball pit. Who's hiding there? It's the elephant, our gentle giant elephant. Hello, elephant.
Hello, I'm the gentle giant elephant.
Let's hop over to the big slide.
Hello friends, subscribe and like, support me.